big girl in his dream world. I ain't talking about Ken when I scream folk. I'm his hood girl in his hood world. Get the bag and I stuff it like a good girl. I stay low key, you don't know me. Make him back for the pussy like a Roxy. Make him pop on the nigga like Rocky. When we off the juice, I'm in stock.
Okay, y'all, I'm out here at Roxboro Motorsports track in North Carolina. I came to meet up with some friends of mine. We're gonna see what his Fox body does tonight.
Issue this Cornerboy, 89 Fox body, small block, one kit,
small block what?
Small block Chevy. One kit street car.
Can you pop the hood for us?
No, we ain't gonna do that. We ain't gonna do that. But yeah, we're trying to get something figured out. Hope we can get it.
I know that's right. So y'all see they working, they getting her right, and we gonna see what she doing at track. Owner suited up, ready to go. That's what I'm talking about.
Coming right here. We're behind the scenes.
Baby, look at that, ain't nothing in here. Nothing. Hey y'all, this right here, Mr. Behind the Scenes, that's who's gonna be welding my cage. So
they get the equipment, I told them I got them. My man took me in with a welder. It's already in motion.
So any of your welding needs, tap in. Our competition that we're looking at, I don't know if y'all can see this red truck up over there. So that's who we're gonna be looking for. Okay, y'all, I'm here with
Lorenzo Martin.
And what do you do out here?
Pretty much everything.
Right.
Prep the track, make sure the track is clean, make sure the system, everything is straight out here. Pretty much all around, all the above.
Mr. Go-To. So when I come out here with my Mustang, I'm good.
Oh yeah.
Y'all got me?
Straight.
That's what I like to hear, y'all. We out here at Roxboro Motorsports. Who's your daddy?
What?
Who is your daddy? So that was definitely a good run. They ready to get their grudge on. You know that's my favorite part. So I'm ready to get into the action and see how the night goes. Okay, y'all, they just made an announcement. If you grudging, get your ass up to that lane. So it's about to be a good night.
But it's holding on, and it's holding strong. Even though I tried to make it change apart.
Okay, y'all, it's freezing. I had to get off the track because it's too cold to be out there. But we ended up not being able to run because both sides had technical difficulties. We had a flywheel that didn't want to turn over, and his opponents, they broke a shock. So technical difficulties got the best of us, but I'm gonna catch y'all later.